going on, guys? My name is Nick Foy, and today we're going to be doing a WordPress tutorial. I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down menu. So here I am logged into my WordPress dashboard. So once you log into your WordPress website, you should see this page. Next, we're going to go down to the Appearance tab, and we're going to notice a pop-out menu here that's got menus on it. So we're going to go ahead and click on Menus. Now it's going to load the next page. We can see a menu I've already created. Now I'm going to go ahead and just create a brand new menu for fun. So we're going to go ahead and click on this create a new menu link right here. Now we're going to give this menu a name. We're going to call this sample menu. I'm going to click on create menu. Now we've got a blank menu with no items added to it. So I've got different pages here. So I've got a blog, a contact, and about page. So I'm going to go ahead and check box all three of those. Click add to menu. So let's just say, for example, I had blog as my main topic I wanted to show at the header of my website, and then I wanted a drop-down menu underneath blog. So when people hover over the word blog, it's going to pop out a new menu that's going to drop down. So just to make a drop-down menu simple, we just grab onto the next item we want to make as our drop-down, and we just drag it over so it's embedded underneath blog, and we do this with the about as well. So now we have two items that are showing up underneath of blog. We can go in again if we wanted to. So I could go in and make another drop-down menu within the contact page drop-down. But for this purpose, I'm just going to leave it both of them like that. I'm going to go ahead and click on Save Menu. First, we need to pick our display location, though, so it will show up. So I'm going to make this our primary menu for right now. I'm going to click on Save Menu. When we reload the page here, let's go back out to our website and take a look. Alright, so here I am on my demo website. Up here at the top, we've got our website name or logo. When we scroll over here, we can see our menu has started. If we hover over the word blog, so just moving my mouse over the top of it, we can see that a drop-down menu appears. So that's really the basics of how to create a drop-down menu. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you guys in the next video.